Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It has been 2 years since I did a flexi rod set on my hair, y'all. I cannot believe it, but in doing this flexi rod set, I kind of remembered why it's been so long. They are not my favorite style. I hate sleeping in flexi rods. It's just like the worst experience ever. But now that my hair is shorter, I do want to try other styles that I used to do when my hair was longer and see if I like them any better. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys the flexi rod set that I did. Somehow, some way, this video turned into me using all Cream of Nature products, which I was not intending on doing that, but I'm pretty sure I have a review on this product line. It's the coconut milk line from Cream of Nature, so I'll go ahead and link that video somewhere, either in the description bar or I'll have the little thingy pop up if that's still an option. I honestly have been so far removed from YouTube in general, but I'll put that video somewhere for you guys to access it. Yeah, let's just jump right into the flexi rod set. Alright y'all, so this is my freshly washed hair with just some spray leave-in conditioner, and like I said, I am using the Cream of Nature coconut milk line. So my hair has been like super dry lately. My scalp has just been a mess, and I know it's because I'm not using the right deep conditioner, but since I still have not started using the right deep conditioner, I am just going to oil my scalp with the Essential 7 treatment oil and work that in. I wish I could just call you up. I'm going to be using my red flexi rods. Don't know the exact size, but I'll try to figure it out and put it in the description bar for you guys. And then I'm just sectioning my hair off in quarter sections and adding some of the curl repair leave-in. And this is just going to give my hair some additional moisture because, like I said, it has been really dry lately. So I'm not using too much product because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet, but I am putting enough to add some moisture. And now I can start sectioning my piece to actually put on the flexi rod. So I am using the Curl Quench foaming mousse, and again I'm using like a pump and a half to 2 pumps per section. Not enough for my hair to be soaking wet, but definitely enough for me to have some hold. And then I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser and just make sure the section is detangled and go ahead and put my flexi rod on. To make sure the ends stay, I'm taking a little bit more of the cream and just putting it on there. And then I'm going to bend this flexi rod and move on to the next one. Now, I usually start my flexi rods, or perm rods for that matter, from my ends and work my way up. I just feel like that's easier. I don't know, because my hair is shorter, I was like, oh, you know, let me try this other method because I love seeing people do it, and I'm just like, oh man, I wish I can do that on my hair. I will say that this took me a lot longer than just starting from my ends because I'm not used to doing it this way, and I don't know, I wasn't really feeling the technique. You know, I feel like I get similar results when I go from the bottom up. And I did have to go in and redo a few of them because they weren't as tight as I would like them to be to get a good defined curl. So that's just my thoughts on that whole thing. You guys can be the judge. So this is the next day, and honestly, I feel like I had such a headache at this point. Sleeping in flexi rods is not for me. So I was definitely in a rush to take these flexi rods out, and I noticed that my hair still was not 100% dry. So I did just leave my hair alone after I took the flexi rods out for a few hours to let the rest of the product dry, just so that when I started actually separating my hair, I would not get any frizz. So if you do take your flexi rods out early, make sure you let them dry completely before separating. Once my hair was dry, I started to separate, and because I know my hair is just going to get bigger and bigger over time, I only separated each piece in half really. Some pieces I did like 3, but I felt like separating it in 3 pieces kind of gave me a little bit more frizz, like here. So I just tried not to manipulate it too much. I picked a little bit And this is a constant in all of my videos. You know, I do not like my hair in my face. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and pin it back and do my edges. And I am using the 24-hour edge tamer from the same line. And here you go. Overall, I definitely like how it came out, but I don't think flexi rods are, you know, the style or the tool for me. I would much prefer perm rods because I feel like I can sleep in them easier. But I think the curls came out really cute, a little more frizz than I would like, but still cute. You guys let me know what you think in the comments, and if you've used the products, let us know your thoughts on it. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.